Hi, this is an update video of the Frames pellet stove controller. This pellet stove controller came to me with a bad on-off switch and some auger drive issues. So I've made some repairs and it's ready to be tested on my tester. When I do turn it on, I should be able to, I won't see the igniter lamp come on because the Breckwells, these controls do not control an igniter, but I should see the combustion fan come on and the room fan come on. And I should be able to control the auger motor fan, or not, the auger motor drive. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and as you see, two lights come on there. One of them is the room combustion fan, so it's on low right now. If I turn the knob on the controller, I'll see the light intensity increase, tell me that we should have been driving that fan in higher speed modes. The other thing I can do right now is I can go to manual feed or high fan. If I press into high fan mode, the light will go bright, and there it does. And if I go to manual feed, the auger motor indicator light comes on, which shows that the auger would be driven by it. So the next step is to press on the auger switch and get that going, and we saw the green light come on, and then there's a bit of a delay before the auger starts driving automatically. But once that time period has passed, we'll see this light come on, and at the same time we should be able to see the yellow indicator light come on. So we'll just wait for that to happen. Won't take too much longer now. There it is. We can see the green light came on the controller, and the yellow light came on. Now if I wanted it to stay on a little longer, I could turn on the intensity of the pellet feed control, put it to max, and that will make the pellet feed light stay on longer. So there we saw it a second time. So I'll go on to max. That turns our room fan on to max, and next time the pellet light comes on, it should stay on for a longer period of time. There we go. The auger drive is on for a longer period of time. So that's it. This pellet stove controller seems to work correctly now. Everything is back to normal. The little switch that I had to install is not the greatest look, but it is fully functional. Thank you very much.